And in international news, Barclays wins a case against Lehman Brothers in a US court. The UK bank has won the case in America over the sale of Lehman Brothers assets. Barclays, back in 2008, bought Lehman's US investment and brokerage operations when the global financial crisis was at its peak. Lehman argued in court that the $1.9 billion sale just 5 days after the company filed for bankruptcy was a sweetheart deal and it should be paid a further $11 billion. A judge, though, has now ruled in Barclays' favor. The sale was not perfect, but said it was adequate considering the exceptional circumstances at the time. Life in Greece has come to a halt in the first nationwide general strike of the year. With unemployment at 14%, Greek workers are again taking to the streets. But analysts say the strikers aren't likely to make the government alter its unpopular austerity measures as it tries to cut the national debt. That's bad news for many small and medium-sized businesses. According to the National Confederation of Greek Commerce, 65,000 businesses have shut down since the start of 2010, when the economy shrank 4.5%. A further 220,000 small and medium-sized companies are seen at risk in the months ahead.
What we hear from our colleagues on a daily basis is that they're afraid, they're ashamed they can't go on. This shows the state of the small and medium businesses in the market.
The oil prices continue to surge yet another day. West Texas Intermediate currently trades at $102 a barrel, by that reaching a 2.5-year high. Brent stands at just under $120. The rise of more than 4% was driven by concerns about the situation in Libya. In countries like the US, the impact on the still frail economic recovery could be severe. Rising energy costs are seen as a real drag for consumer spending.
If consumers are paying higher prices at the gasoline pump, then that leaves them with less income available to spend on everything else. So the sort of things that might be impacted would be discretionary spending on, say, eating out. If you're spending more on gasoline, you may choose to eat out less often. You may make less trips to the mall, perhaps, if each trip is costing you more.
We will run you through those commodity prices in just a minute. We'll take a quick look at the Asian equity markets, then at the price of oil, followed by metals and a selection of currencies exchanged into dirhams. That's it from the business desk. Have a good weekend.